Hi guys, it's Ray from Ray's Turquoise Turtle. Today I am going to unbox my February Resin and More subscription box. I have been looking at these since like September or October, and I just haven't pulled the trigger on one yet. I ordered the bonus size box, so there should be more stuff in here than the standard box, and hopefully I like what's in here, because I did go ahead and order the March box as well, just to give it two chances to see what I think of these. They did say their March box is going to be different, but they didn't say different in what way. So I know they have deals for if you order multiple months at a time, stuff like that, but I'm just doing it one at a time because I don't really see myself doing this for very long. I'm just going to open this up. It comes in a nice white box with their little sticker sealing the end. I feel like this is the type of company that if they put out packing videos, I would sit and watch their videos of them packaging. Okay. So, here we go. This says feature suppliers for January. I believe this is supposed to be the February box, so we'll see if other people run into that or if that's just a misprint. Resin mixing, this tells us what's in it. But again, this is the bonus box, so there should be extra stuff in this because I did pay more for this one. So this is their business card, a little ticket that I don't know what it's for. And okay. So let's open it up. So DIY epoxy, I have actually been wanting to try. I've been thinking about using that for my next resin that I order, or in the next couple. So because this is the bonus box, I got double the resin I would have normally gotten. These appear pretty small, so I won't get far with them, but it's actually plenty to test if I'm going to like the artisan resin from DIY epoxy. I do have their final sand product, which I really like. So this is exactly what I expected to find in this box based on what it said. And I am happy to see that it is different than my other love mold. So that makes me happy. This cute little heart mold makes me very happy. I don't have one of those. I believe this is a picture frame mold. I haven't actually worked with one of these yet, so we'll see how that goes. Oh, this looks like a bunch of little hearts. So, and I think this might be some final sand. It sure is. So they give a little sample of the final sand, which is cool. A lot of people use final sand to prep their tumblers, and a lot of people use final sand to make a matte tumbler. So these are just little shallow hearts. And because I ordered the double pack, I have 2 strands of lights in here, which is funny because my mom just sent me 16 strands of lights that got here Saturday. So I definitely have lots of lights to play with, which I'm excited about. The goal is to run the lights through here. So a silicone brush, you can never have too many of those. A good size silicone mat, again, you can never have too many of those. And what do we have over here? A stir stick. There is some loose glitter in here, so there's glitter all over this silicone mixing cup, which is fine, it'll come off. But there's a handful of mixing cups in here, a silicone mixing cup in this one, This is Strawberry Daiquiri Sugar Scrub from, oh my goodness, I can't remember who makes these. I will have to look back at that list. I'm sure it's on there. I believe the Sugar Scrub was only in the larger box this time around. I don't actually know whose it is. So let's get into the fun stuff. This one, I believe, because it is the bigger box, came with more resin, or more glitters and whatnot. So it came with Lucky and Love from Pretty Little Glitter Company, who I don't have anything of theirs yet, so that'll be fun to work with their stuff. This one is called Malibu by Pretty Little Glitter Company. This one is Pretty in Pink. This one is sprinkles. These are little fake sprinkles, not real candy ones, which is perfect. And we have some holographic hearts. This is the outer shape plus the inner punch shape for a smaller heart. And then we have opal hearts, which has a fine glitter mixed into it, and they're like a shift. We also have some Let's Resin, I believe they're micas. So it is light blue, fuchsia, orange, and Indian red, which maybe there's a little bit of a red shift to that. It looks black in here. And we have this cute little box of dried flowers, which these can be tucked into that frame or the love sign. So I might use the lights, the frame, or the lights, the love sign, and some of these. I don't know that I'll mix any of these glitters into that one. I might mix something else, but I will be sure to come up with some kind of a project and come back in and use some of these products. So again, this was the bigger box, so there is more in this box, but I kind of wanted to see what they include when they go all out in a bigger box. So I think in the standard box you might have gotten like one of these, maybe half the glitter, I don't know. There's another girl I watch, Luxinda Swirl. She ought to be doing an unboxing video as well, so I'll be able to compare what she gets out of her box if she ordered the standard box to what is coming out of my box. So when she puts her video up, I will definitely link it. So if it is the other version of the box, you'll be able to see everything. That's the difference. They don't always do the bonus size box, so, but I've been on the fence. Like I said, I've been looking at these for months, and I actually don't think it's too bad. And I especially don't think it's too bad for somebody that's somewhat of a beginner. I mean, I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with these shallow hearts. These are more something that you would make to put attached to something else. Like maybe if I poured the frame, I could attach a heart to the corner of the frame or something, and maybe that's what I'll try. I'm going to have to like do a little research on this mold because I don't have one and I haven't used one, and I'm not sure what the exact right way to use it is. So that is everything that came in here. I am excited to try these. I am excited about some different glitters, especially some fun Valentine shaped glitters. And I will be back to do a couple of projects from this box. I will try to do at least one or two that is entirely from this box, but we'll see if I can keep myself away from my inks and other stuff. I'm going to bring you down and just give you a little